Hello children, today we will see the topic light, shadows and reflection. Class 6 subject science. Okay, it is very interesting topic actually. Why? Because it deals with light, how the shadows are formed, how the reflections occur. It is very interesting topic. So listen to me very nicely. Okay. Now we will see about the light first. Okay. Actually, just you imagine yourself. Can you able to see things in the dark? Can you able to see? No. You will be telling your mama, please light a candle. I am unable to see. No. Why? Because we cannot see on our own until and unless light will fall on our eyes. No, am I correct? So then only our eyes are capable. Then when we accept the light, then only we can see the other objects. Oh, like that. Now, for example, now I'm showing. Now it is a blackboard. Will the blackboard give you light? Will it emit the light? No, no. But in the morning time, when there is nothing, it is there in the room. When you will go out of your house and when you are coming out and you are observing surroundings, you can able to see each and everything in the surroundings. How? Why? Because at that time sun is there. No. So what do you mean by sun? Sun is a source of light. Means, what do you mean by source? Means the objects which will emit light on their own, which will emit light on their own. That is the meaning of source. Okay. Now we will see what are the different sources of light for us in our daily life. They are sun. Okay. When you're coming back to your home after evening, when the darkness starts or when the night starts, at that time, what you will be doing? You will be switching on your tube light in your homes. That means tube light is also a source of light. Okay. Next here again I want to clarify here. Now I'm standing beside the window. This window. Will the window give lights? Will the window emit lights? No, it doesn't emit. So now we will differentiate here the objects which will emit light on their own. Such kind of objects are called as luminous objects. It is a new word for your class 6. You should remember this word. Okay, luminous. So the objects which will give light on their own, such kind of objects are called luminous objects. Now here I wrote already the example, sun and as well as tube light. Others you have many like torch is there, bulb is there, whichever objects they are giving light, you can tell it as source of light. Okay. So the objects which will give source, which are the sources of light, such or which emit light on their own, such kind of objects are called luminous objects. Then what you will tell about the window, which I have taken the example? Window will not emit light. Even I am standing in a room. Here wall is there. Will the wall emit light on its own? No. So the objects which will not emit light on their own, such kind of objects are called as non-luminous objects. Am I clear? Luminous and non-luminous objects. These two words you have to remember. Now again we will go back in about the sources of light. Okay. Now here's first I have taken the sun. Did we make sun? Sun is made by humans? No. Sun is made by God, by the nature itself. Okay. So the objects which are made by the nature itself, such kind of objects are called as natural sources of light. Here. Why? Because sun is the natural source of light. But again I wrote here a word tube light. Tube light who made? It is invented by humans only. So how it can be natural? No, it is made by us. So that's why the objects which are made by humans are called as artificial sources of light. Why? Because they are made by us. Am I clear? So in the sources of light, you have to remember two words. They are natural sources of light, artificial sources of light. So when you will see in the night time, at that time you will be observing in the sky along with the sun many stars in the sky. No. So here stars are also sources of light, natural sources of light. But here I want to add up a point. What does that mean? Actually sun is also a star. Okay. Already you have studied in your lower classes. In class 4 you learned. Sun is also a star. But you may ask a question, but ma'am, in the night time we can see, or sorry, in the daytime we can see only the sun. Why can't we see the stars in the daytime? Why? Because actually sun is very near to us. That is the reason we can see the bright sun. Okay, these stars are very far. Okay, so the sun is a star. It is a natural source of light. So whichever objects which are emitting light, if they are made by us, then you can call it as artificial sources of light. Okay, am I clear? Shall I rub now? Here you have to remember these words. What are that means? Luminous, non-luminous, natural sources of light, artificial sources of light. Okay, next. Next. Actually, light is having a property also. Always the light travels in a straight line. It will not bend. It will not bend. For example, now a tube light is glowing here in this room. If I enter into the other room, can I see this light there? Can I see this brightness there? No. Why? Because the rooms are different. It won't travel from here to here. If it is in the straight line, if it is there in the straight line, I can able to see. That is the reason that the light always travels in a straight line. This activity I will show you later on. I will explain you later on. So the light travels in a straight line. That property is called as rectilinear propagation of light. Okay. Next we will go for shadows. How will the shadows formed? So already you have studied in the lower classes. Just we will once recap it once. Okay. Here, for the formation of shadows, we want some materials. What is that material? Means that material is called as opaque material. Okay. Now when you are dealing it with materials, better we will learn all kinds of materials. Actually in nature, we are having three kinds of materials. They are opaque, transparent and translucent. So what is the property of these materials? Means suppose a light source is kept in front of the opaque material. Just have drawn a candle with burning flame. Okay, the candle is burning now. Light is coming from that. I kept an opaque object in front of the light. Means it will not allow the light to move. Means the light to travel. It will stop light then and there itself. That is the meaning of an opaque material. For example, today after my class, just you take a candle burning. Okay, you keep your candle which is lighted and keep in front, and tell your mama or whoever you are have with you. They are staying like your elder brother or younger brother or sister or father, who anyone, grandpa, anyone. Tell them that whether the candle flame is it passing through your body. Can you able to see the candle flame from the back of you? You ask. It won't. Why? Because our body will stop the flame or light of the candle here itself. Means the candle burns, but the light you cannot see by penetrating into our body. So the materials which will not allow light to pass through them, such kind of materials are called opaque materials. Okay, next there are some materials in nature like, now here we are having air. We cannot see, but we can feel air. Okay, that air only example I am taking. But light is passing, no? Here just I have switched on my tube light. But I can see everything. Why? Because air is allowing light to pass through them. So such kind of materials or substances are called as transparent material. Here you can take, apart from the air, you can take even clear water. The water which is very very clear, it should not have any impurities. That clear water also you can take, even you can take even a plain glass. It should be a transparent glass. Then also you can see that light passes through it. So such kind of materials are called as transparent materials. Okay, next we will go for translucent materials. The materials which will allow light to pass through them partially. I have used the word partially. Partially means not completely, only till some part. That materials are called as translucent materials. So what are the examples mean? Shaded glass, butter paper. Butter paper is nothing but like your oil paper. Okay. So it will also not allow light to pass through it completely. It will allow only partially. Now just I am standing near the window. Here, this glass, it will allow only partially. Okay, why? Because it is shaded. Only some part of the light I can see, I cannot see clearly. That is the meaning. Okay, so now in this session, I have taken just about the light. What are the different sources of light? What do you mean by luminous objects? What do you mean by non-luminous objects? How does the light travel? By rectilinear propagation of light. Apart from that, for the formation of shadows, we have seen the opaque material. Apart from the opaque, we have seen even transparent and translucent material. Thank you.